Hanging your art can be a real chore. It's difficult to find and hang a great looking frame, but with the Illusions floater frame, all of your framing issues will become a thing of the past. The Illusions floater frame is a professional art gallery frame at a value price. It's the perfect presentation for any of your paintings. The special frame creates a floating effect so that your work stands out without hiding the edges. With the floater canvas frames, your art will appear suspended, separating the canvas from the molding for a stunning presentation. This effect shows off all aspects of your painting, even the sides. All professional art galleries use them to properly show off their artwork. Shouldn't you also be able to have your art stand out this way? And now you can do the same. These frames are sleek and contemporary, easy to set up, and come in a variety of colors so that it fits in any room in your house or studio. Make your friends jealous with the Illusions floater frame, available at Jerry's Artorama.